Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening both apps you plan to use. This saves time and avoids app reloads. Once both apps are running, tap the Recent Apps button to show the overview. You should see app cards. Make sure the primary app is visible near the top of the list. If one app is missing, open it now and return to the recent view. This first step gets you into the multitasking interface where split screen can be initiated. Now you enable split screen. Tap the three-dot menu or app icon on the app card and choose Open in split screen view. That pins the first app to the top. Next, scroll the recent list or open the app drawer and tap the second app. It will occupy the bottom portion. Make sure to position the divider by dragging it up or down to set the proportion you need. This arrangement gives you simultaneous control and conserves memory by keeping only two active apps. To finish, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to restore single app mode, or press recent apps to manage windows. If you can enable split screen, make sure both apps support split view. Many games or camera apps block it. Once done, update the system and app packages and clear an app cache if behavior is odd. If an app freezes, force stop it or reboot the phone. That usually resolves resource conflicts and restores normal multitasking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.